Open the print package. There's a CD and an English manual. Power and USB cable. Open the printer cover and secure the column with the label paper. Label paper facing up and secured. Close the lid, plug in the power and USB cable, and turn on the switch to be ready. Download and install the printer driver. Restart the software after installation. Open printer settings as default in the control panel. Open the tab editor to edit the content. New blank page. Select printer model. Enter the appropriate size of the label paper. Complete the blank page creation. Create text box. Edit the text box content. Create one-dimensional barcode. One-dimensional code content editing. Modify the digital. Add QR code. Modify the content of QR code. Text boxes at time. Select the print. Printer print effect. Adjust printer to peel mode. Bottom number 6. Adjust to close. This is to close the paper mode. Turn on the printer power and wait for print when ready. Edit tab software opens the print settings. First select the properties, then select the volume, and then select the print set to peel function. Finally, choose to print the label paper. Print effect display. Mobile phone Bluetooth connection display. The new label. Modify label size. Go to a blank page, add a text box, and fill in the contents. Text box property settings. Font magnifier. Add one-dimensional barcode. Add QR code. Connect printer Bluetooth. After successful Bluetooth connection, select print and number of copies.